Okay, hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to write using the jigsaw writing style. Okay, so we are going to do jigsaw writing. Okay, so actually let's go through these three characters first, which we already have come across in the graphic story. So you can see I've already highlighted. There are three characters here. One, two, and three. These two are the main characters, and this is the supporting character. Okay, so let's look here. Okay, so this the arrow shows to this girl. Okay, so this is Marcy, and the arrow shows to a dog, and this is Jerry's dog. And who is Jerry? Well, Jerry is this one. Okay, so this is actually Jerry. Again, let's repeat. This is Marcy. This is Jerry's dog, Sally. This is Jerry. Okay, let's do it again. This is Marcy. This is Jerry. And this is Jerry's dog, Sally. Okay, let's go to the next one. So we are going to do a very simple writing exercise. Uh, but this is actually called jigsaw writing. So it's going to be very easy. It's going to be a breeze. Okay, so what you have to do is actually not match but arrange. Okay, arrange the phrases and write about Marcy, Jerry, and Sally. So okay, how many can you see here? How many boxes can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have got 12 boxes. And if you see here on the screen, you can see that some of the boxes contains words or names. And these names, okay, these names are actually, who are they? Okay, they are, okay, Sally, Marcy, and Jerry. Okay, same like what I showed you just now in the picture. Those three people, those two people, and one dog. Okay, this is Marcy, this is Jerry, and this is Jerry's dog, Sally. So actually, this jigsaw writing will be based on these three characters. So we have to arrange the phrases and write about Marcy, Jerry, and Sally. So if you have noticed, okay, there are boxes with phrases like this one, but there are also boxes with numbers and names. So when you see they start with the number, that means this is actually the beginning of the sentence, because this is actually number one. That means question one. That means sentence one, not question one, but sentence one. So that is why it is numbered. So you have to start with the boxes with the numbers. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 boxes with numbers from 1 to 6. So they will be the beginning of the sentence. Okay, and all these sentences start with names. Okay, like Sally, Marcy, then Jerry. Okay, okay, let's start. Okay, so of course the first one will be this one because it is already numbered. The box is already numbered. So we have to select this one. So this one is the first one. So we move here first. Okay, we move here. Okay, we move here. Let's go a bit down. Okay, we move here. Okay, Sally. Okay, okay. Before that, okay, let's read the names and words in the boxes. Okay, the first one is Sally. The second one is Marcy. Number 3, Sally again. Number 4, Jerry. And number 6, Marcy. Okay, these are the names, which is like repeating because talking about the same characters. And let's look at the first phrase, is Jerry's dog. Second phrase, has got curly blonde hair. This one, this box has got curly brown hair. Then this one has got a karate class at 3 o'clock. And this box, it isn't happy with the painting. And the last one has got brown hair. Okay, let's go do it again. Let's read all the phrases in the boxes with phrases. Okay, is Jerry's dog. Has got curly blonde hair. Has got curly blonde hair. Has got curly brown hair. Has got a karate class at 3 o'clock. Isn't happy with the painting. Has got straight brown hair. So these are the phrases. So firstly, you need to know when you fill in the blanks, even though it's all jumbled up, normally the words, the phrases, you have to arrange in a way that it starts from the beginning of the story until the end of the story. So it will start with the most general idea of the story until to the specific idea of the story. Okay. So the first one, we've already moved the first box. We've already put down here. So now let's look at which is a suitable phrase to match with number 1, Sally. It has to be a general idea. It has to reflect the general idea of the story because the beginning of the writing. Okay. Okay. So the first one is Sally. Okay, Sally. We know Sally is Jerry's dog. Okay. Then you see here, we have here one. Sally is Jerry's dog. Okay, wait. I have to move the cursor a bit. Okay. Okay. So we can adjust that. Okay. So okay, we've already okay, we found the right one. Okay, never mind. We arrange first in order. We arrange first, then after that we will check all the answers whether they're correct or not. Okay. So the first one is Sally is Jerry's dog. Okay, that's a very general idea. It's a general idea of the story, but then we do not know yet whether the answers are correct. Let's arrange them first and see whether all of the words that we have arranged they are correct. Okay. Okay, then we have to look for a box which has got number 2. So now it's about Marcy. So we are going to talk about Marcy. Okay, let me put it here first. This is a bit hard to see. Okay, let's move Marcy's box here, number 2. Okay, then Marcy. Let's go back to the boxes, the answers, the phrases. Has got curly blonde hair. Has got curly brown hair. Isn't happy with the painting. Has got a karate class at 3 o'clock. Has got straight brown hair. Which one is that? Let's see again. Okay, it's Marcy. Marcy is Marcy is Jerry's friend. So we are talking about the girl. Okay, let's look at the picture. Okay, this one is Marcy. So what does she have? She has got curly hair and it's blonde. Okay, so let's find. Okay, so this one has got curly blonde hair. Okay, let's take this and match below. Okay, okay. Oh, okay, that's number 2. So we do not know whether all the answers are correct, but we are trying. We are trying to arrange in a way that we'll get all the answers correct. We will get all the sentences correct. Okay, now let's go to the third one, which is this one, Sally. So let's drag the box to number 3. So let's go down. Uh-oh. Okay, let's go down. Okay, Sally. Sally. Which one is Sally? Let's look again. Okay. Okay, this. Okay. This is Jerry's dog, Sally. So this is Sally. This is Marcy. This is Jerry, and this is Sally. This is Jerry's dog, Sally. So Sally is Jerry's dog. Don't mix up with the girl. Don't mix up with his friend, okay? Okay. So we are writing about Sally again. We are writing about Jerry's dog again. So let's see. Okay. What can you see here? You can see that Sally, Jerry's dog, has also got curly hair similar to or same like who? Marcy. But Sally's hair color is brown. Okay, let's find here whether is there any word, any phrase which is actually right saying this to us, saying this to us. Okay, okay. Has got a karate class at 3 o'clock. Isn't happy with the painting. Has got straight brown hair. Has got curly brown hair. Which one do you think? Okay, among all these, one, two, three, four. Okay, these are names, so we cannot choose the names. Okay, this is the starting of the sentences. So which one will you want to choose? Okay, we are talking, I think we are talking more to what type of hair um, the characters have, because it's the beginning of writing the description and beginning to write jigsaw writing. So we have to be more general, and we are talking about the characters. We're talking about the characters. We're talking the physical features, talking about the physical features of the characters. So that's more of a general idea. Okay. So has okay, let's see. Let's check. Okay. Has Marcy got straight hair? No, she hasn't got straight hair. Okay, has Sally got straight hair? No, she hasn't got straight hair. She has got, Sally has got curly hair and is brown. And has Jerry got straight hair? Yes, he has. Or yes, he has got straight hair. Okay, let's go down. Let's check again. Okay, so which one do you think? So this one. So this is more suitable than the others. So let's drag this one. Let's drag this one. Okay. So the third one, the third sentence is Sally has got curly brown hair. It's okay. We are doing first. We are arranging them first. We do not know whether the sentences are correct or not. Let's arrange first. Okay. Then let's go to box number 4. Okay, number 4, which is we are going to describe Jerry, or maybe we are going to say something about Jerry. Okay, let's bring Jerry down. Jerry's box down. Okay, let's see. Do we have any? Um, okay, let's see here. Okay, so we are actually talking about Jerry now. It's very clear because number 4 says Jerry. So this is Jerry. Okay, what can you see? Okay, Jerry is holding a brush. He's the one painting, and he has got straight hair, and his hair is brown. Okay, let's see the phrases. Which one suits him? Okay, has got a karate class at 3 o'clock. Isn't happy with the painting. Has got straight brown hair. So I think this is the answer. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Let's put it together. Okay, that's number 4. Let's make it a bit narrower. Okay, number. Now let's look. Okay, what number is now? Okay, number 5. We have got number 5. We are almost done. Okay, let's bring box number 5. Yeah. Okay. So Marcy. Okay, number 5 is talking about Marcy. Okay, let's see Marcy again. Okay, so it's not about the pictures anymore, but we know this is Marcy, this is Jerry, and this is Jerry's dog, Sally. So you have to refresh your memory on the story to remember what happened next. Just now about we only described all the 3 characters, but we haven't really described what happened in the story. So which one do you think? Has got a karate class at 3 o'clock, or isn't happy with the painting? Actually, both of them describe the same thing, the same character. It looks like these two phrases actually describes Marcy, because in the story she has got a karate lesson and she's not happy with the painting. She isn't happy with the painting. So let's see. It's Marcy. Okay, number 5. Which one will you choose? Okay, let's see. What's number 6? Oh, number 6 is also Marcy. Yes, because she is the first main character, then only Jerry, second main character, then the supporting character is Sally, Jerry's dog. So number 6 is going to be Marcy. So which one are you going to choose? Okay, if you remember the story, which one comes first? Has got a karate class at 3 o'clock, or isn't happy with the painting? Okay, first thing you have to remember, has got a karate class at 3 o'clock is actually, this phrase defines what happens in the story, and it also tells us that what what Marcy is doing and what she has to do later. So the next one is isn't happy with the painting. So which comes first? Okay, this is just describing what Marcy is doing and what she has to do later on. And this one is like uh, implying that, telling us that isn't happy with the painting. This looks like actually like summing up the story, okay? Because we know that Marcy isn't happy with the painting. So this is like summing up the story. So when it's summing up the story, that means this phrase has to be the last phrase. Okay? So number 5, we have to choose this one because we are talking about what Marcy is doing and what she has to do next. So this will be for number 5. So we have to choose this. I think we have to like go up a bit. Okay, there's no space, difficult. Okay, so we're going to take this phrase and try to bring down and see whether it's suitable. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's arrange them first, then we will check the answers. Okay, okay, so now we have to arrange Marcy as the last box. Okay, because it is sentence number 6. So we bring down number 6 box here. Okay, and okay, let's see. Okay, so number 6 is also the sentence describes Marcy also. Describes what is her action, what is she doing, okay, and what is the outcome of the story. Okay, this is the last one. We will try to put it. Oh, okay, let's put it here first. Okay, let's go up. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's bring this down. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's adjust. Okay, so we have already arranged all the phrases and the six the six the 6 names with numbers. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, so there are no more phrases or names here because we have arranged all of them in order. So let's go up a bit. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if we can go a little up. Okay, so let's check if we have arranged the names and the phrases accordingly. So let's read the sentences and check whether they are arranged correctly. Okay, number one, Sally. Sally is Jerry's dog. Okay, let's see. Sally is Jerry's dog. Okay, this is Jerry's dog, Sally. Okay, correct. Okay, that confirms the first sentence is correct. Okay, number two. Let's see if we can put a tick. Okay, let's just put a simple tick. Okay, that's correct. Okay. Okay, so at least we know that we have done that. Okay. Then afterwards we can just delete the what? The stroke. Okay. Marcy. 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 Okay. Marcy has got curly hair. Yes. The sentence defines Marcy correctly. Okay. So Marcy has got curly blonde hair. Let's see. Let's check whether she has blonde hair. Yes, she has got blonde hair. You don't you don't say she has got yellow hair. In the earlier lessons I've already highlighted to you that you shouldn't say yellow hair. Hair color is blonde, not yellow. Okay? So let's see whether the sentence is correct. Okay, Marcy has got curly blonde hair. Correct. Okay. Number three. Sally has got curly brown hair. Okay, let's check. This is Sally. This is Jerry's dog, Sally. Okay, Sally has got curly brown hair. Yes. The sentence, okay, describe Sally correctly. Okay, Sally has got brown hair. Okay, sentence is correct. Okay, number four. Number four, Jerry. Okay, now we are talking about Jerry. Okay, the second main character. Jerry has got straight brown hair. Jerry, this is Jerry. This is Jerry. Okay, Jerry. Jerry has got straight. Jerry has got straight brown hair. Okay, let's see whether the sentence is correct. Okay, Jerry has got straight brown hair. Yes, that's correct. Okay, we have already got um, four correct sentences out of six. We will see how about the two more. Okay, number five is Marcy. Number six also Marcy. Okay, so we are talking about the main character, which is Marcy. Okay, the first one says has got a karate class at 3 o'clock. The second one isn't happy with the painting. Okay, actually we don't have any answer in the picture, in this picture, but if you remember the story, if you remember well the story, you know this is Marcy, this is Jerry's dog Sally, and this is Jerry. So if you remember, you see the way she looks here. Even then the story, we don't have the storyline here, or you don't have the graphic story, and I didn't put the picture here, but you can see very well how she looks. Look at her. She doesn't look happy, and she's like shocked. You see the hand she's putting to her mouth. She's already like closing her mouth. Why? Because she was shocked. She didn't expect that Jerry painted Sally's picture. That's why she looked shocked. So, and also unhappy. Okay. Okay, but then Number 5 says, number 5, it is Marcy then has got a karate class at 3 o'clock. Okay, but the picture just now describes Marcy isn't happy with the painting. Okay, see again. Okay, Marcy isn't happy with the painting. Okay, so what you have to understand, this one is correct because the picture confirms that she isn't happy with the painting. But before isn't happy with the painting, we have to understand the story. So it's not like you describe about the characters. Okay, we are actually describing, okay, about Sally, Marcy. We are describing about who is Sally, then how does Marcy, Sally, and Jerry look. Then only it comes to the story. What is Marcy doing at Jerry's house, and how she's rushing to go back because she has got a karate class at 3 o'clock. So this very well describes to us that Marcy is actually rushing to go for a karate class at 3 o'clock, but she's still waiting for Jerry to finish painting so she can have a look at it. So of course, this is correct. This happens first, then only when she sees that the picture which Jerry has painted is not her picture but Sally's, then only she isn't happy with the painting. So then you can see the look on the face. Her face just turns sour, you know. Then she looks angry and also shocked, surprised. Okay, because she didn't expect Jerry to do this. She didn't expect Jerry to play a trick on her. Okay, so this one is correct. Okay, Marcy has got a karate class at 3 o'clock. So this is correct. Okay, bravo. Congrats to you. Okay, so this one is the last one. Marcy isn't happy with the painting as we saw in this picture. So this is actually the conclusion. Even though they are drawn separately, but you can see, okay, Sally is a happy dog and Jerry is very excited drawing Sally's picture. He's holding the brush and he looks mischievous too. And he's trying to explain to Marcy. He looks mischievous. He is actually a mischievous person. And that is why you can see that he looks mischievous and he finds it not, he finds it like it's okay to do this. It's okay to play a trick on Marcy. So he is not, he doesn't really feel that is something wrong that he did. So that is why he kind of looks like cool and relaxed. But Marcy is the one looks very unhappy, shocked, and also um, slightly angry. Okay, so this is the last one. Okay, it's correct. Okay, the last sentence. Okay, let's do again. Okay, okay, we have to check and see the sentences we have arranged are correct or not. Okay, number 1, Sally is Jerry's dog. Marcy has got curly brown hair. Sally has got curly brown hair. Jerry has got straight brown hair. Marcy has got a karate class at 3 o'clock. And Marcy isn't happy with the painting. So this is actually a very short summary, but at the same time, uh, 6 sentences which actually describes the whole story also. But even then, this is very simple and vague. So if you were to write a summary, you cannot write all these sentences because they are not like related. They are not very much related. It's just that in a way it's simple. You can get the idea, but you cannot summarize the story. Okay, that's all for today. So I hope that so I'm going to finish the lesson now. So I hope that you found this lesson interesting. because this is actually a way of learning how to write through jigsaw writing. Okay, you can see the title here. Okay, this jigsaw writing, but actually this one, actually this exercise I saw in the workbook, but it is not like this, so I changed it in this way, so it will become a jigsaw writing lesson. Okay, then that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe teacher's channel, and please like my videos.